In this lesson, we will go over how to generate random values. To generate random values, we use the random function. You can randomly generate a login, text, or a number. Sometimes, when registering, you use the login provided in your profile, but you are told that it has already been used, so you generate a new random one. You use one of the formats, it doesn't matter at all which one you choose. Let's take this one, and you specify the variable where you will save the result. Let's call it login. We create it. We see that it remains here, and each time a new login will be loaded into it. For example, do you want to slightly modify the generated login so that, say, it is created without numbers? To do this, you copy this format and remove the ending. You copy and paste the remaining part. We generate it again and see, now a number is no longer used for generation. You want to somehow change the generated logins. To do this, you again copy and change this 4, for example, to a 2 or a 1. Copy and paste the format. Let's check. As you can see, the generated login is much shorter. You can also generate a random string. You specify its length, for example. If you want the string to be generated from 5 to 10 characters, you write from 5 to 11, because 11 is not inclusive. You specify which uppercase, lowercase letters, and special characters to use. You can use your own characters. For example, I wanted to generate using pluses, minuses, underscores, and maybe some brackets or asterisks. Go in and activate it. And you can see that each time it generates from the characters we've specified. You can specify that it should generate only from these letters again. We see it's only from letters, numbers, and regular classic symbols. You can use everything at once by checking this box, meaning these symbols must be used. And now we'll also see a mix with our symbols being generated. We can generate our random number. Let's assign it to the same variable again. I wanted to generate a number from 5 to 10. That's why I specify from 5 to 11, because 11 is not inclusive. You run it, and a number will be generated here.